Let's see how we can do returns on the ZRA portal. So the first thing you need to do is to log into ZRA website, that is www.zra.org. Yes, so when we come here, the second thing that we'll have to do now is to go on login. Yes, so when you go on the login page, you have to enter your TPIN number. As for me, it has already been generated by my Google account, so I just press continue. Yeah, so together with the password has been put already. So here the only thing I need to do is to do the reCAPTCHA. So on this reCAPTCHA, I have to make sure that I use the way the letters are. If they are bold letters and small letters, I should make sure that I do that without making any mistake. Then after I put the reCAPTCHA, I go into sign in. So here we go. As you can see, my account will be logged into the ZRA portal. So this is my information. There are no tax payment information available, no due dates. So here, this is where it's outstanding returns. Here under liabilities, no pending liabilities. No, you have no pending demand notices. So everything is okay except for returns. There are 3 returns that need to be filled in. So here I'll start by viewing. So I should make sure that I view all these returns. So I'll rotate my screen so that I can see full details of it. So when you come here, you have to write on a piece of paper. So turnover tax, it's turnover tax, which is TT. Then it's for the period. The period is 2022. That's 05. That's 1st May 2022. And then ending period is 31st May 2022. Yes. So the second one, it's turnover TT, which is dated on the 1st of June 2022. Then the end period, it's 30th of June 2022. Yes. Then the third one, it's turnover tax, which is TT. It's dated on 1st July 2022. Then the end period is 31st July 2022. Yeah, so when you do this, you have to close. Then you go on file. On this column, I'll be allowed to file in the outstanding returns. So here, type, it's a turnover tax. Yeah, turnover tax. Account name, it's a turnover tax for my company name. Here, since you've put in the TPIN when logging in, it will automatically bring your company name. So from period start, so it's here period start, it will be, we start with the date, month and year. So it will be 1st July 2022. So it will be 1st so I'll just go back. I had an error, so it will be, so in this case I'll rotate my phone again so that I do it well. So here the type, it's turnover. Then the account name, it's the company name. So we start with the one which is 1st July 2022. then to 31st July 2022. Yes, so I'll submit. So here I'll fill in a new return. So it's a new return. So I'm submitting this return. Okay, do you want to file a new return? So I'll say submit here, file return. Okay, so as you can see there, my return was submitted. So I'll go back again to do the second one, which is also a turnover return. So account name, it will be the company name, then period. The second one was 1st June 2022. So I'll say 01/06 2022 to late filling. It has automatically brought 30th, which is okay. So I'll say yes. I'm submitting a new return. A new return is when you are filing in a return of no payments in the company account. So it's a new return. So the return will be submitted in a short period of time. We've done one return, and this is the second one that we are doing. And the company had about 3 returns that need to be filled. So the return has been submitted. So I can also request for an acknowledgement receipt, which is okay. So I'll receive the acknowledgement receipt, which shows that my returns were submitted successfully. So this is the PDF of the acknowledgement receipt. So we can keep this for archive sake. Yes, so the PDF will be generated. So I can open this, or I can just go back home to the previous menu. So I'll just go back to submit the last returns. So it's loading here. So as you can see, there is one more return that need to be filled. So I'll just go on file. So when I go on file, I'll fill in the same details. Turnover tax. So it's turnover tax. Account name, it's SCM. So I'll just cancel that and enter my company name, which has been generated automatically. So for the third one, it's the same one, tax clearance. It's from 1st July 2022. So it's 01/07 2022. Then let filling in, yes. So it's from to 31st July 2022. So do you want to file a new return? Yes. So I'll just submit, file new return. Yes. So the returns will be submitted to the ZRA portal. Okay, so the returns has been submitted. So you can choose also to view the acknowledgement receipt in PDF, then it will be generated automatically. So for now, we can go back home and check how our dashboard appears. So when you go back to your dashboard, okay, so I'll go back home now. So I'll go back home. So as you can see there, no tax payment information available, due dates, no outstanding returns. This is where we saw about 3 returns which were outstanding. So it's green now, there's nothing red showing, meaning the returns have been submitted successfully, and the portal is as good as we can see. So this is how we